Hello and welcome to the third lesson of Power Query. In this lesson, I am going to show you about the Power Query editor, how Power Query editors look like. So we have opened an Excel sheet on which we have worked previously, and we had combined first name and last name. I hope you remember in our previous video. So this was the area, means this is the ribbon data, and in this you have this option get and transform data. So wherever you see get and transform data, it means that is a Power Query tab. In previous version, means in Excel 2010 and 13 version, this was not there. So you have to separately install the add-in of Power Query, but from Excel 2016 it is coming as by default. So basically this is a data tab, and in which you have this. So let's get started. So I will click on from table range over here, and my Power Query editor will open. So let's take 2 minutes in getting the overview of that. So when you open this Power Query editor, you get 5 columns. You have file, in which you have close and load, or you wanted to load it in some separate sheet, or you want to do the only connection to it. I will explain you that step by step when we'll go ahead. Then you have a home tab, and in which you have lots of options, like you have a merge query, append query, keep rows. Lots of options are available. The main tab will be the transform tab, from where we will be doing lots of transformation. Transformation means changing, means cleaning your data. Like we will use the format option, we will use the split option, we will use the merge column option. We have a add column ribbon. Here also you have lots of option, and one important option ribbon is your view tab. So basically whatever you do in Power Query, it is repeated over here. Not repeated means it shows what is done. Like when I opened this file, so it took the source, then on his own he changed the change type. Now whatever action I will be doing over here, for example if I say split cell, so that action of split cell will come over here, and then I can remove it, I can change the sequence of it. So I can do lots of things over here. Sometime this query setting does not see over here. So if I click on X option over here, it gets closed. Now you will not see what you all are doing. So for that you have to go to the view tab, and there you have an option query setting, very important option. So when I click on query setting, it will open it. So whatever action you will be doing, it will be showing. Let me show you one, give you one idea. So if I click on full name, and if I go to the transform, and let's say if I say for example split, for example, and I say by delimiter, we will be doing this option in detail, but just to give you the idea. So now this split action I am doing, it will be showing you over here, and I just say okay, and you will see split column by delimiter option has come over here. So what now if I don't want that, so if I click on the X, it will go. If I click on the X again, it will become normal. So this was just an overview of Power Query editor. And again, if you want to come out back from here, you can go to the file tab, and you can say close and load, and again you will be back to your Excel sheet. So this was just a quick overview of what is all about the Power Query editor. So now the next lesson which we will be seeing, we will be doing again a new practical. So I hope you understood what is the Power Query editor and how we go into the Power Query editor, that is from the data tab, and you can click on from table and range, and it opens the Power Query editor. Thank you so much, and see you in the next video.